Here's a great deal on a 2016 Ford Explorer. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, adjustable pedals, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.